We're doing the Sari demonstration. Okay, so you always tuck starting from the right hip. So you tuck it in and you tuck it all the way around, whatever your height is. So the border, whatever shoes you're wearing, should not drag on the ground. You tuck that around. You will find the end of the border, and usually it will be placed in the middle, but you can check this by when you pin it and tuck it, when you wrap it around and bring it on your shoulder. If it's too short, you can move it around. So this one's short, so we will move it around. We'll pin it about here. And wherever the center is, you need to mark it. So this centering will make sure this pallu is the right length. This might be a little short for this demonstration. So the next thing you do is make sure your border is flat. If you want to wear it on your arm, that's fine. And you mark with a pin where your shoulder is. So mine's here. We'll come back to this. So now we know that's the length of our pallu. This is how much we've tucked in. And the remaining fabric, this big loop, is what you have to make your patlings, your pleats. So I'm using like my left hand, but you can use your right if that's more comfortable. You make the pleats according finish the whole loop of fabric. Maybe fit one more pleat. Then I see all these pleats. I make sure they're all lined up. So however many pleats I have, I grab them. Make sure they're all lined up. The pleats should always face to the left. And you take a safety pin and you pin all the layers together. It faces the left and it should line up with your navel. So you tuck that in. And in most saris, the border should come all the way to the center. You wrap it around just to make sure you still have your sari length. If you want to wear the pallu all up on your shoulder, you then take the border and you start doing pleats from this side if you want to show the border. So this way, find your safety pin where your shoulder should be, line up all the pleats. Sorry, I missed a pleat. Let's do this like this. I need to do this again. Where your shoulder was is where you would then pin it. So that's how you pin it up here on the shoulder. Your borders would be showing like this. Pin it all together, and you can also pin it around at the border and the blouse back here. So hopefully it looks normal. And that's it. You can press the red button.